you.
Let's share your screen. I hear you might have some screen share problems, but hopefully not. So let's
Okay.
give it a go.
Yeah, I just wanted to, to come up with my face now, just to say hi, Bill. I will be not using my camera for this if it's fine for everybody. Just wanted to, because I've got some internet connection issues today, so that's the reason why I will jump out of the camera. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. This is Saeed Madadi, technical representative within Micromax Celanese. And today I would like to take this opportunity to a little bit talk about Intexar line of stretchable, washable inks and films. But briefly, but so due to the time shortage, we'll be also happy to answer any other questions in our virtual booth. So let me start with a little introduction who we are. We are Micromax Electronic Inks and Pastes, which is a brand of Celanese that used to be DuPont MCM until November last year. So we are literally now a brand within Celanese. We have a solid experience of over 60 years of history in advancing electronic circuitry. So that is who we are. Giving you a little bit of background, we launched our Intexar lines back in 2017 after already having made successful inks for healthcare products in the market that introduces recoverable, stretchable, washable electronics inks and substrate that offers comfort and function, which also enables a manufacturing-ready approach, as well as flexibility in design for smart clothing and other wearable electronics. So the ideal application for that we have been focused on so far include wearable health monitoring, fitness performance, as well as wearable heat smart clothing. So since 2017, we learned a few things while gathering lots of feedbacks from multiple customer projects, as well as the product scale-ups that led and helped us to develop new set of new materials, considering processing condition of those materials at our printers or labs, as well as at customer, the final customers. Shipping and storage considerations are also key. What we've learned is for example, in terms of distance and the duration of the shipment. Talking about the end use application, these are the considerations which are the key in terms of accessibility and placement, where that device, the wearable device is designed to be located on the body, if it's going to be head, chest, arm, wrist. Proxemics, how far off the body the device needs to be, and thermal aspects, feel. So you can imagine that the need for body to breathe plus to have a good hand feel for that stretch type of application, and which is eventually leading to a better comfort. Aesthetics as well, ability for wearables to remain in good shape, good looking over the time and not yellowing and damaging, etc. That is the case of the film. So Micromax Celanese have not been intending to sell films or to develop films, but back then in 2017, when we looked at the marketplace, we saw some typical key challenges with the commercial TPUs in terms of comfort, from stiffness, unrecoverable plastic deformation, and surface energy for our print. So we decided to bring our own T11C that resolve all those issues. When you look at the graph on the top right hand side, you will see that uh, commercial TPU, the low recovery substrate, and here you can see in the x-axis the elongation along the stress versus the stress it took to stretch that material. So you can significantly see the difference between that typical commercial TPUs versus the Intexar T11C. So we could reduce that stiffness by 6 times. And when we talk about unrecoverable plastic deformation, just imagine you buy those nice, expensive fitness sport shirts with all those wearable electronics inside, and you put it on once, you stretch it out, and when you take it out, so it never tends to recover in its initial state, not as good as as it's intended to. So what we do, we took that material